More news coming in. Diljit faces no alcohol song diktat once again after Telangana. Chandigarh has warned the singer. He's asked not to use Patiala Peg, Theke songs. Child Right Panel says liquor song impacts kids. Child Right Panel says no surrogate liquor songs, changing of lyrics, etc. not allowed.
ये देखिए, जो हमारे जितने भी हमारे कॉन्सर्ट्स होते हैं, कई बार क्या होता है कि अब ये तो है कि ऑडियंस में बच्चे भी रहेंगे, तो बच्चों को लेकर कई हमारे ध्यान में जो प्रीवियस कॉन्सर्ट्स के माध्यम से आया कि कई बारी बच्चों को स्टेज पे बुला लेते हैं, जो वहां पे जो साउंड होता है वो बच्चों के लिए हानिकारक है। उसके लिए भी हमें एडवाइजरी देनी पड़ी। दूसरा, ऐसे कॉन्सर्ट्स में एक तो ये बहुत लेट शुरू होते हैं, बच्चे रात तक वहां रहते हैं, वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस होते हैं कि वहां पे लिक्कर की सप्लाई होती है। तो उन चीजों को हमें ध्यान रखना पड़ता है, क्योंकि जो हमारी पॉलिसी है वो वैसे तो ये कहती है कि आप 25 साल तक सर्व नहीं कर सकते, बट जो एक चला हुआ है कि पर वो तो हम उसको मैंडेट बनाना चाहिए कि हम 18 साल से नीचे तो बच्चों के सामने।
Aman Bhardwaj is getting in more details. Aman, Diljit is in fact supposed to perform on the 14th of December, I understand, in Chandigarh, and that diktat has come once again saying that no promotion of alcohol. When a similar diktat was issued previously by the Telangana government, he'd said first ban alcohol and then come back to me with these diktats, isn't it?
Exactly, and this time Shipra Bansal, who is the chairperson for Chandigarh Commission of Protection of Child Rights, has issued advisory citing three major reasons. There are three advisories majorly for Diljit Dosanjh that reads that the sound should be less than 120 dB because children get on stage and they sometimes get affected by the high volume, so they should not be invited on the stage. Secondly, the sound should be less than 120 dB, and secondly, he should be avoiding songs that has namely Panchtara and Case song, and also that songs promoting alcohol, drugs and violence. And thirdly, it's to be ensured by Diljit Dosanjh that children or adults less than age of 25 should not be served with alcohol, liquor, and should not be sort of entertained there. So this is Pandit Rao's Dhanender complaint. He's a professor here in sector 46 of Chandigarh College, and he has previously complained with Telangana government, and right now for 14th of December he has complained for Diljit Dosanjh.
Remains to be seen how Dosanjh responds to this, given that last time a similar diktat had come in. He had said that he'll do what he has to and that the state government must take an initiative to ban alcohol if that's what they're really concerned about. We're waiting now for a response from the singer himself and what he thinks of this diktat. Remember, he's supposed to perform on the 14th of December. Leaving it at that, Aman, that also in fact brings us to the end of this edition. You can find that report and much more up on our website. It's indiatoday.in or download the India Today app. News continues right here. Thank you for watching.